Dear students, good morning. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am well too. At first, I discuss about myself. I am MD Shahin Sheikh, assistant teacher English, Shikdar Mullik Secondary School, Pirozpur Sador, Pirozpur. Now I am teaching you about first paper class 9 and 10. Dear students, firstly I say that do you know what was our previous lesson? Previous lesson was let's become skilled workforce. Dear students, I repeat again, our previous lesson was let's become skilled workforce. Dear students, today I am teaching you the next lesson. Dear students, firstly I say that our today's topic unit 5 lesson 1, the greed of the mighty river. Dear students, our topic is the greed of the mighty river. Firstly, before we have read the lesson, we shall with you some feature as learning outcomes. Learning outcomes from this lesson. Dear students, look at the paper and share with me these points. Firstly, after we have studied this lesson, we will be able to comprehend and summarize text, ask and answer questions, take part in debates on given topics, take part in role playing and conversations, draft and deliver lectures on given topics. Finally, write slogans for posters. Dear students, these are the learning outcomes of our lesson. Dear students, now I shall read part 1
Part 1. Read the following text and answer the questions. Dear students, listen to me what I say. Meherjan lives in the slum of the Shiazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the dish only me. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteadily. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil of her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the year, she lost her husband and her family to disease, the cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now, she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has stirred her dreams and happiness. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During its monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. If we cannot take prompt actions to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. Dear students, I repeat again. Now, from this lesson, I say something about part B. Part B, for each phrase below shows the meaning that is closest to the meaning used in the text above. Dear students, look at this paper and notify some points about part B. Dear students, I repeat again part B. For each phrase below shows the meaning used in the text above. Number 1, in paragraph 3, mighty rivers means A. Rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. B. Rivers having many rowing boats in them. C. Rivers that make people carry out. D. Rivers that have strong banks. Dear students, from this question, I want to say the right answer. The right answer: A. Rivers that have huge volume of water and very strong currents. Dear students, number 2, landed property means a rented piece of land, B, a piece of land on the bank of a river, C, property in the form of a source of income to its owner. Dear students, from this question, the right answer, landed property means a piece of property used only as an agriculture farm. Dear students, next I say about question number 3. Whispering wind means wind that blows from across the river, B, wind that blows with a hissing sound, C, wind that helps someone make a fire, D, wind that blows in summer. From these questions, the answer is wind that blows with a hissing sound. Dear students, I repeat again. Whispering wind means wind that blows with a hissing sound. Dear students, now I share with you about part C. Dear students, follow the section C. Ask and answer the following questions in pairs. Number A. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? Number B. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Number C. What do you know about Meherjan's family? Number D. In which season is river erosion most likely to occur? Number C. Why is the phrase greedy Jamuna used to describe the river? What greed do you notice in the description? Dear students, complete this answer with pairs. Dear students, now I give you your homework. Dear students, write about your homework. Debate. Form two groups of 3 or 4. Decide which group will speak for against the motion below. In your group, first discuss and note down 5 or 6 points to support or oppose the motion. Then select the speakers from each group to start the debates. Motion. Humans can't do anything to control the cards of nature. Thank you, all the students, for your participation.